So good. Shh. It's my weakness.
What's your story?
Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make hot cocoa peppermint pancakes. And not only are they super tasty, but they're also gluten free. That's right. So when everybody is gathering around to open the presents that Santa Claus brought down the chimney this year, you pull out these pancakes and trust me, everybody's gonna love them. So let's get to it because these are healthy-ish and so good. So let's do it. Because these pancakes are gonna be so tasty and so good. Trust me, you're gonna wanna make them, and I'm gonna include a list of all the ingredients below so you can go get the exact items to make these pancakes. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button so that we can keep hanging out together every single week, and the bell button up at the top so you get notified every time a new video is posted. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make these and hot cocoa peppermint pancakes, because look at that, keto friendly. And it's always easier to start with pancake mix, especially if you're on a short time frame like I am most of the time. Keep a busy schedule, busy hands are happy hands. All right, so to get started, guys, you want to take 2/3 cup of the pancake mix and add that to a little mixing bowl. And then you can use your little spatula. Oh no, my spatula is too big. Don't you worry, don't you worry. Because I have a teenier Christmas spatula. So now my little teeny Christmas spatula can get in there. When you have one Christmas spatula, you need multiple Christmas spatulas. That's just the way that it is. 1/2 cup of water, add that to the mix, like so. You want to take 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract and put that in. Ooh, it smells like Christmas in here. Okay, now we're gonna take hot cocoa, little hot cocoa canister. Isn't that so cute? I'll include a link to these little canisters below. So if you want to get them too, it just makes me feel like I'm on the home edit, you know what I mean? Having these canisters and everything so organized and labeled like so. So if you want to get these too, they will be in the description below. All right, so then add your 1/4 cup of cocoa to the mix. Okay. Now you want to add 2 tablespoons of sugar because it's Christmas. And when it's Christmas, you can treat yourself. Treat yourself. Oh look, it's like snow is falling. And then 2 tablespoons. Don't wimp out on that second one. And then salt, just a little dash of salt. Boom, shaka, laka. So now you just want to mix all of this together with your little Christmassy spatula. Couldn't think of what it was called for a second. Ooh, look how chocolatey these look. Man. I'm just scraping the edge to make sure that we don't lose any goodness around the edge. I'm in a very singing mood today, more than usual. I mean, typically I sing and dance while I'm cooking in the kitchen because it just makes it more fun, but today is an extra special amount of enjoying cooking and singing and dancing. Tasty. So in the background there, I have heating up a pan on medium heat. So then as soon as that's warmed up a bit more, we're gonna take these and we're gonna pour them in to start making our pancakes. Okay, now let's go over here for the cooking. First, what you wanna do is you want to take this off. I've had this heating up on medium heat, and we're gonna take a little bit of olive oil and add that to your pan.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark.
Guys, look at these pancakes. You know, they're not all perfectly circular, but that's the fun about breakfast, is that you get to have a little fun and not everything has to be perfect. But they smell good. I'm super excited about how these pancakes turned out. So now we're gonna make them festive because they have peppermint extract in them, but I also wanna add these little candy canes to the mix. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my rolling pin and I'm going to start busting up these candy canes. You don't want to completely disintegrate the guys. You want to have like some chunks here and there, but you want them to be enough that you can easily put them in each mouthful. So that's kind of the thought process that you have when you are making these. So let's switch these back around like that. Oh. Okay, so now the fun part is the making it look pretty, of course. So what we want to do is we want to start off with whipped cream, and I got oat-based whipped cream from Whole Foods. Can you believe that that is a thing? This is actually the first time I've gotten this, and so I'm very excited to see how this tastes in comparison to normal whipped cream. Because I always have a hard time finding like a cheese that's vegan that tastes good. So that's why I'm excited to see how this dairy product replacement tastes. All right, so you give it a little shake, like a little maraca. Haha, gotcha. You thought I was gonna spray you with whipped cream. I mean, I might. Don't test me. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that, man. So in the breaking process, it sometimes already starts to bust open. But what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut this bottom tip. Because ideally, whoop, yep, it's open there too. So we're just gonna sprinkle that on the top and then around the edges. And these ones that are really broken down, they actually kind of look like snow falling on it. And the contrast with the hot cocoa, and then go ahead and put some around the rim for decor. Okay, well, that looks fantastic. Whoa. And then all of the whipped cream just melts away. Look at that. What a concoction, guys. Oh. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Nom, 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 nom. So now it's time to see if this passes the true test, which is the taste test. I just got a little candy cane in there. Woohoo! Man! Packs a punch, those little candy canes. All right, let's give it a taste. Whoa, come back here, little guy. A little whipped cream action in there. Guys. Hot cocoa peppermint pancakes are off the chain. These should be the new hottest trend right now because the fact that these are gluten-free and so tasty. Oh my God. This is fantastic. If I do say so myself, these will make your Christmas morning even more magical. For this guy, for all this goodness here, definitely go down below. Get all the ingredients for this because, you'll thank me. Trust me. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button So you can keep hanging out and we can keep learning about healthy recipes and tasty recipes and get healthier and stronger together. And we can hang out every single week together. How fun would that be? And then you can get all the ingredients and hit that bell button up at the top, because then you get a notification every time a new video is posted. So I will see you guys next week. And until then, bye y'all. So good. Shh. It's my weakness.
What's your story?